A few episodes back, we found a shrine to one of the biggest opium dealers of the 80s, Khun Sa. Well, today we are on the hunt for a temple rumoured to be built by Khun Sa. Not any old temple, this one contains a military bunker. Yeah, that's right, a temple built by an opium warlord with a bunker built into it to be manned by his own personal army protecting his opium. Could the rumours be true? Could such a thing exist? Spoiler alert, yes, otherwise there'd be no video. But let's pretend we don't know that. Ooh, will we find it? Ooh, mystery. Let's go. Hello, this is Don't Look East. Whilst the borders of Myanmar are currently closed, I'm doing the next best thing and travelling down the entire Burmese border with Thailand to learn a bit more about the place and meet some of the people. Sounds good, doesn't it? Well, why don't you join me? Let's go. Good morning from a pretty misty and a little bit chilly May I hope I've got some sticky rice, some taro in sticky rice. And if that goes tits up, I've got some sticky rice in a bamboo tube. Oh, look at that. Nice. Oh, lovely. Crispy crunch. This is banana.
And now we're off on the search for Khun Sa again. There's one army base. Alright, here by this big mile marker, we got a nice lookout point. Oh, I'm just going to have a sip. You don't mind, dear, if I have a sip? God, imagine that being your football pitch. Hey? That makes Sunday League games a bit more interesting, wouldn't it?
Until recently, the legendary White Temple and Bunker of Khun Sa was a mythical place rumoured to exist. At least to foreigners, locals knew it was there of course. Whilst I had a vague idea of where the Bunker Temple supposedly was, I did also get lost quite a bit and have to stop and look at the map again and again and again and again. Okay, I'm a bit lost. I'm not sure I can find what I'm looking for. These villagers seem very confused why I'm here. But anyway, we're gonna press on. We're gonna have a look. Maybe I'll badger someone and they'll tell me. Alright, the wild goose chase continues. But when we find it, oh, just you wait.
Tabrikap. Honey?
Oh,เนี่ย
Okay, ครับ ขอบคุณครับ Christ, really? Yeah. I think we found it. Yes. Yeah. We did it. Yes, boys. Yes. I know. Settle down. Wow.
So this is it. This is the closest that I have ever felt to being in a kind of mystical quest. I wasn't sure that this existed. This is it. This is the White Temple built by Khun Sa. So this territory was once part of all of the land that Khun Sa and his Shan army controlled from their base of operations
in Todd Thai, which we saw a couple of days ago. Khun Sa also controlled and built a white temple. He also built something else. Let's go and have a look. Did you ever see a temple with a military bunker installed? Me either. Here, very close to the border of Myanmar, Khun Sa built not only a temple, but a bunker in order to defend his territory and his business.
His soldiers have carved air raid shelters deep into the mountains and fortified their lookout post with trenches of deadly bamboo spikes.
This Australian footage from 1988 shows a temple bunker being built by Khun Sa's men. I'm not sure if this is exactly the one we've found here, but it's pretty bloody similar, isn't it?
This is it. We're in Khun Sa's bunker. Wow. Whoa. Think of all the young lads that would have been in there fighting for Khun Sa, fighting for Shan freedom, and Khun Sa's business. Wow. Whoa. You can still see all of the trenches that would have ringed this place. The remainders of the trenches had a bit built into there. Check it out. In Thailand, it's very common to see small spirit shrines by the sides of the roads and people's houses. To me, this looks like a Nat shrine, an offering to Nats. Nat worship, belief in Nats, is very, very big and popular in Myanmar. Nats are a family of spirits. There are kind of natural Nats that people believe in, the ones that live in the forest, ones that live in the river. And then there are a kind of set family of Nats, pantheon, of Nats, who were people that were either royal family or died in service or whatever to the royal family in Myanmar. So this is it, Khun Sa's bunker and temple complex. What a very special thing to find. If only those dogs would bugger off so I can get back on my bike. That was only blooming Khun Sa's temple and bunker complex. Whoa. Don't say I don't spoil you. I know that I do. Sawadee Cup. Dai mai? Mai dai? Okay, Cup.
After all that excitement, it was time for a little disappointment. I'd spotted this road on the map that hugged the Burmese border and looked really interesting. And whilst some riders had reported riding it about 10 years ago, since then it's been routinely closed to foreigners. Anyway, I gave it a go and had a nice chat with this soldier, who politely told me to bugger off and informed me that the War Army on the Myanmar side had been firing rockets recently.
That wasn't surprising. Disappointing, but not surprising. I mean, there's never been a worse time to try.
So then it was back on the road, past this cool roadside village, drying stuff in the road and slaughtering pigs, also in the road, before the decent road ended and it turned into this.
F***ing hell. Oh, wee. Here's an interesting thing. I don't know, I think it's in Hmong. Will you fuck off?
Alright, so I've just got into Phang and I've just got myself a room. So yeah, 350 baht. This is the view from the front. A view over the mountains of Phang. It's pretty good, isn't it? 350. Hey, bed, bit tough, but yeah, nice view. Nice view of them burning stuff. Can't grumble, can you? Oh, why thank you, sir. Don't mind if I do. Cheers to Phang.